you ever dream of cruising on a yacht? Enjoying the perfect sunset as you and your loved ones have a scrumptious dinner? Your dreams are not so far off as Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts release their affordable island hopping and sunset cruise packages.
Starting July 1, we are going to start a daily island hopping in Mactan Island, which is we have the beautiful island in Mactan to showcase to around the world. Everybody are welcome. And aside the island hopping, we have the sunset cruises. We have the beautiful Mactan Island on the Mactan Channel with the beautiful city lights that we can showcase to every tourist, every locals. I don't want the Filipinos to be a tourist in our own islands. My main purpose is the Filipinos to be the first to discover our own beautiful island. So this is open to all Filipinos.
Seahorse Houseboats have several packages that allow you to cruise down the Mactan Channel on their 48-footer catamaran.
We have the island hopping, yacht cruise island hopping, yacht cruise, sunset cruise. At the same time, we also accept private cruises. Like for example, they wanted to have their own party. So yeah, we have that. Our daily island hopping will start at 8:30 and ends at 2:30 in the afternoon. For the sunset cruise, start at 4:30 and end at 7:30 in the evening.
The vessels also have a huge capacity and affordable rates.
Okay, for the capacity, our boat has a 50 pax capacity, and of course we have the crew. We have around 5 crews, so we only allowed 45 pax maximum capacity for the paying guest. For the rates, it's very affordable. It's very competitive. Like for the sunset cruise, we have 3,500 pesos. That includes dinner buffet with DJ, photographer, and of course the round trip yacht experience. For the island hopping, that includes lunch buffet. It comes with 3 islands like Ulango, Dalusuan, Hilutungan. But of course, for private charter, we have to adjust depending on which island they wanted to go. But within Mactan Island, so it comes with lunch buffet, 3 islands, entrance fees with 3 different islands, and with snorkeling, with towels, and with life jacket, all with safety devices.
Your safety is also ensured with our certified captain and crew.
All of our crew has a certification that we have the underwent their training, and we have the proper the safety equipment like the life jacket, something like that. We want to change the concept. Like you don't need to be rich for you to experience the lifestyle. So this is where we are right now. Like everybody can join, so they have to join us and experience and discover the new lifestyle in the whole Philippines. Because this is not just for Cebu, but we're gonna be launching the whole Philippines in different island destinations. We're gonna have it. Like for now, Cebu, we're gonna have Palawan, Isla de Gigantes, Boracay, and also in Luzon.
For inquiries, you may check out the Seahorse Houseboats and Yachts Facebook page, visit their office at Cebu Yacht Club, Lapu-Lapu City, or call them at 032-273-0094. With these packages made affordable right in Cebu, there's nothing stopping you from crossing off cruising on a yacht from your bucket list. This has been Raya de Guzman for MyTV Cebu.